Hi, I'm Michael.
And I'm Ryan. We're here today to talk to you about the DSA5000, Scanivalve's newest 16-channel pressure scanner. One of the hallmark improvements of the DSA5000 is the pressure range offering. Legacy products only maxed out at 750 psi, and the lowest full-scale offerings were 10-inch of water full-scale. This product offers down to a 4-inch of water full-scale pressure and up to a 1,500 psi maximum input pressure. The A to Ds also have a programmable gain feature. There's no more restrictions or limitations on how we can group different range units, so we can have a unit that has 4-inch of water sensors on one half of it and 1,000 psi sensors on the other half of it with no restrictions whatsoever to the user.
Another benefit of the gain programming is allowing you to use a single range sensor in a set of sensors and be able to have multiple calibrations per that sensor. The DSA5000 includes the same pneumatic valves that we've used in the DSA legacy products.
No longer is there external solenoids to drive the pneumatic state of this product. It's all happening automatically from internal solenoids.
These solenoids control the valve state of the DSA5000, whether isolating the transducers, placing the DSA5000 into calibrate mode, or for purging capabilities.
After working with customers for many years and seeing the variety of installations that these products are going into, we opted to support a 5/16 by 24 female thread. This is a US and international standard that supports a variety of off-the-shelf compression style fittings as well as Scanivalve's unique tubulation or TUBN bulge tube style fitting. You can configure it any combination on one module, mixed or all the same across the board, and it can be field configurable and changed from test to test or application to application. As we're talking about the top of it, we also have two varieties showing a quick disconnect header on the top, allowing you to quickly make and break the pressure input fittings while leaving the system architecture or infrastructure fittings like cal and ref and control sources. That's an option that's available to you as well to continue that flexibility. Electrical connectors that we chose offer industry standard, widely available connections. Ethernet connection is through a standard M12 series X code gigabit connection. The power connector is an A code M12, so you can buy those cables off the shelf from anywhere in the world. You can split it out to any power inputs you want.
The wide operating voltage range of the DSA allows for DC power to be supplied from 9 to 36 volts. Scanivalve also offers our own DC power supplies such as the PDM1500 or the PDM3200.
And it's all packaged in an IP67 rated case. So that means it can be fully submerged for up to 30 minutes, whether that's intentional or unintentional submersion. We see a lot of units come back that have accidentally gotten sprayed with jet fuel or hydraulic lines rupture and spray all over it. That is not going to be a damage or a risk at all to the DSA5000. Can be offered with an internal heater to support temperature operation down to minus 60 degrees C. Entirely internal to the unit, changes no other features other than it adds the internal heater. The great thing about the internal heater now, it's software programmable. Some tests, maybe you need your internal heater on and you want it to be set to 45 degrees C and keep the unit nice and warm and stable. Other tests, maybe you need low power draw, and so you're going to disable or turn the heater set point down low. All of that's available to you as the user through simple software commands. So anywhere this thing needs to go, frozen environments, high altitude environments, it can support it just like that, no problem. The shock mount kit is an additional supporting add-on that can be installed at the factory or in the field. In the field, it's installed with just 8 screws along the bottom of it, and it provides full MIL 810D category 24 shock and vibration isolation. That can be used on aircraft or in any other non-flight test, non-aviation related environment. Turbine test cells, vehicle applications, anything like that. In this configuration, it still retains the full IP67 waterproof rating, so there's no compromise there. Again, allowing you to install the DSA5000 in any location on any test you can possibly think of. Whether it's aerodynamic data or high pressure compressor test, the DSA5000 can support any of those applications.